Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group will present about electrical and magnetic principle in aircraft system. For group members, first Muhammad Najwan bin Muhammad Fuad AD 240071, second Nurul Jannah AD 240013, and last Muhammad Kamarul Adam DD 240080. For introduction, this presentation is about electrical and electronic device, covering fundamental concept in electrical and electronic technology. It begins by defining electricity and exploring its various sources and conversion method. The presentation then delves into the core principle of electrical and magnetic field, explaining the nature of magnet, permanent and electromagnet, and the interaction between electricity and magnetism, including Faraday's law and its application. A significant portion of the presentation is dedicated to electrical machine, especially motors and generators. It outlines the differences and similarities between DC and AC machine, their construction, working principle, advantage and disadvantage.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Jannah binti Muhammad Fuad. Today I will explain each of principle. First, we have electromagnetism, the core of aircraft electrical system. Electromagnetism is the link between electricity and magnetism. This is some step how electromagnetism works. First, when electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field, and when a magnetic field changes, it can generate electricity. In aircraft, this is foundation of how aircraft convert mechanical motion into electricity. Next, we have DC motor. A DC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. In aircraft, DC motors are used for precise control, tasks like moving flaps, actuator, or hydraulic pumps. When DC flows through coil inside the motor, it creates a magnetic field. This interacts with magnets inside the motor and causes rotation. We also have AC motors, alternating current drives. An AC motor uses alternating current to create a rotating magnetic field which turns the motors rotor. AC motors are common in aircraft because they are lightweight, efficient, and ideal for continuous operation like powering air conditioning fans, compressors, and fuel pumps. The current switches direction rapidly, which keeps the motor spinning. Number 4, we have generators. A generator is like motor but in reverse. It converts mechanical motion into electrical energy. In aircraft, engines spin the generator, which then produce electricity to power the entire electrical system. It works using electromagnetic induction, like a rotating magnet inside coils produce current. Last but not least, we have transformers, voltage control devices. A transformer changes the voltage level of AC electricity. It uses two coils wrapped around an iron core. When AC flows in the first coil, it induces a voltage in the second without physical contact. In aircraft, transformers step voltage up or down to safely and efficiently power different systems. For example, cabin lighting system. The voltage step down 115 voltage to 28 voltage. The purpose is to save voltage for light.
Okay, next I will explain about application in aircraft system for each part. So, we will start with electromagnetism in aircraft. First, electromagnetic relays and switch used in control panel and safety system to switch circuits vividly. Second, electromagnetic locks, secure access panels and cargo doors. Lock engage when electricity flows and disengage when power is off. Lastly, magnetometers. used in navigation system to detect magnetic north and help pilots with heading direction. Okay, next application is DC motor in aircraft. Firstly, flap and slack actuators. DC motors drive mechanical system to adjust wing during takeoff, cruise and landing. Next is windshield wipers. DC motors offer control speed for wiper motion, important in rain or snow visibility. Lastly, cabin equipment used in systems like electric seats, window shades and galley equipment where precise motion control is needed. Okay, we continue with next application, which is AC motor in aircraft. So first, fuel and hydraulic pump. AC motors operate these pumps consistently and efficiently, providing steady fuel and fluid flow. Next is cooling and ventilation system. Operate cabin air blowers, fan motor for avionics cooling and environmental control system. Lastly, electric compressors in modern aircraft. Weightless system use electric compressor to manage pressurization and air conditioning. So the next application is generator in aircraft. So first is auxiliary power unit APU generator. We used it on the ground to power system when engines are off. Also provides backup power in the aeroplane. Next is emergency generators or ram air turbine RAT. It deploys during power failure to supply critical system. Next and lastly is main AC generator or alternator. It was powered by jet engine turbine to supply main onboard electrical power to all systems, which is lights, computer and avionics. So for the last application in aircraft is transformer in aircraft. So first is isolation transformers. It protects sensitive electronic equipment by isolating circuits and reducing noise or interference. Next is transformer rectifier unit, which is TRU. Combine transformers with rectifiers to convert AC power into DC and powering the system like battery chargers and the control system. Last but not least, power distribution panels. Transformers are embedded in these panels to manage and balance load across multiple aircraft systems safely.
And lastly, for conclusion, the presentation provides a comprehensive overview of electrical machines, classifying them as motors and generators. It delves into the construction and working principles of both DC and AC generators, emphasizing the role of the commutator and in DC machine, the advantage and disadvantage of DC motor along with method to improve their efficiency are also discussed. The including section differentiate between brush and brushless DC motor and provide an overview of AC motors, including induction and synchronous type, highlighting their unique feature and application. Overall, the slide offers a robust understanding of fundamental electrical and electronic devices and their underlying electromagnetic principle. Thank you.